My materials for my project was cold water, 1 cup, boiling water, 1 cup, pineapple bits, and 2 different types of Jello with 2 different colors. The procedures is you first boil your water with adult supervision, and then you take your Jello, each color, and I have color coded it, so lime is going to be in the green container. And the orange is going to be in the orange container. That's a little bit fast. Okay, so this is the instant Jello mix. Put it in. And then you take 1 cup. I've already measured and put 1 cup of cold water, and you put 1 cup in each. Okay, now you take 1 cup of hot water very carefully, and you place it in each one. Okay, now you stir both of them until all the elements are mixed together properly. It's recommended that you stir for about 3 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna start mixing the other one because you have to mix both of them. You just keep mixing until all the elements are dissolved. This one's a little low on hot water, so I'm gonna fix it. Okay, so it seems pretty much dissolved. All the gelatin has dissolved. So you just finish stirring just for good measure. Okay, now you choose one of the 2 Jellos to put the pineapple in. I'm going to put them in the orange one. You just put as many as you want. There's not really a minimum or maximum needed. I'm just gonna do it until the bottom is about covered because the pineapple sinks to the bottom of the solution. And then some pineapple juice. Okay, now you have to label each, or just know which one is which, and then you place each in the fridge overnight to chill, and you check your results the next day.
Hi, I'm Sana from Harmony School of Science High.
Hi, I'm Tori from Harmony School of Science High.
In this project, we used Jello and pineapples to gain a better understanding of proteins.
For this project, we made 2 bowls of Jello, one made normally, one made with pineapples in it. The Jello made normally set as it usually would, while the Jello made with pineapples didn't set at all. We discovered that this was because of a protein called bromelain found in pineapples, which breaks down the protein collagen found in gelatin and Jello. Since collagen is the protein that sets Jello, if it is broken down, then it cannot carry out its function.
Proteins are responsible for many jobs and have interesting structures. Different proteins are in charge of different functions. Proteins are responsible for cell shaping and organizing cells, maintaining cells, and helping cells respond to signals received from outside the cell. Proteins are made of a chain link of amino acids. Proteins come in a chain link of amino acids. Proteins come in a variety of shapes and sizes depending on the function. The sequence of amino acids makes the protein unique and different from other proteins. The structure of the protein is very important when identifying the protein.
Proteins come in many different forms, and each of these different types perform different functions. A few basic types of proteins are antibodies, enzymes, messengers, structure, components, transport, or storage.
Of course, these are only the basic functions carried out by proteins. However, proteins do much more than what is mentioned above. ELA component, I wrote a narrative about a group of adults learning about a disease that is caused by a lack of protein in the body. What is displayed on the screen is a quote from my main character.
For my ELA component, I wrote a narrative about a man who makes Jello for his daughter with pineapples, unaware of how pineapples act with Jello. Shown on the screen is a line from my narrative.
For my social studies connection, I wrote about the effect of change on society of the discovery of proteins. I focused for the most part on the discovery of insulin, a protein which is very important in treating diabetes, a disorder which, until the discovery of insulin, was deemed impossible to cure.
For my social studies component, I provided a historical connection for protein structure. The discovery of proteins led to many more in the biology field of studies. Without Pauling's work, we wouldn't know half the things we do about DNA or viruses, which is an important part of education needed to be successful in life. The knowledge is used to save many lives.
Thank you for watching Harmony Public Schools.